Okay, hey fellas, we have the Makita saw and it's not working, so I have the thing in mind that it's not working because this one is burned out and the wires will be burned out. So let's just open it and of course check it if I will find a bit. Okay, can't find a bit of one bit is in my car and okay, so we are looking for the problem right here, and you can see that we have a problem here. This one is burned, and of course that can be the reason why the tool is not working. It's no voltage going here, so I will find the spare battery terminal and the wire. Okay, found the spare wire, the terminal. So first thing what I will do here, I will disconnect the wires from the old terminal and check the positive, and the yellow one is good ones. So just getting them connected back, and now where's our problem? Our problem is on a black wire and it's burned out, so I will just solder the replacement wire. And yeah, you can replace this one probably, but then this wire will be too short, so I think it's better to just take the spare wire from the faulty switch or something and solder it. We'll take the thermal tube for connection to be protected. This one not going to go as easily. Okay, so what I will do now, I will just use the wires here, and what I want to do, I want to join them together, spin it a little bit, and of course the main holding connection will be because I will solder them. Okay, again got a phone call, and sometimes I'm just tired of the phone calls. Okay, let it cool down a little bit. We'll remove that ugly blob. Try to heat the wire. Okay. Ugly blob moved. Okay, now it will cool down a little bit. I will put a thermal tube on it. Let's just get the tube on the wire. Okay. Having connected it, and first thing what we want to test here, if the tool is working, of course, because maybe we have more problems like motor and switch and so on. Now it seems that we don't have more problems, it's working, so this one going to the recycle bin. The warranty sticker goes here, and okay, I will close the housing and then try it on a full speed. Okay, seems that all the screws are in. Let's put the battery. So we have it working again. That's very nice. For you, thank you for watching. You can see sometimes repairs easy and quick. And just thumbs up. For now, bye.